Hey everyone! Today we are walking through how to change the interface theme in LM Studio on your Windows PC. Whether you prefer a clean light mode, a sleek dark mode, or matching your system settings automatically, LM Studio makes it super easy to customize your workspace appearance. Let me show you how to do it step by step. First, add the quickest shortcut to open the theme selector. With LM Studio open on your desktop, press Ctrl K, then press T on your keyboard. This instantly brings up the theme selection pop-up right in the center of your screen. You can use your arrow keys or mouse to switch between dark, light, or system auto modes and hit enter to apply it immediately. Alternatively, you can change your theme through the main settings menu. Look at the bottom left corner of the LM Studio window and click on the gear icon to open settings, or simply press Ctrl+, on your keyboard. Inside the settings page, navigate to the user interface tab. Right under the appearance or color themes section, you will see a drop-down menu where you can choose between light, dark, or auto. Selecting auto ensures that LM Studio seamlessly matches your Windows system theme whenever your operating system switches modes. Choose your preferred theme, close the settings tab, and your new look is applied across all your chat windows and model tabs without needing to restart the app. And that is all it takes to change your interface theme on LM Studio.